Are you looking to build a custom home, but you don't know where to start? Or maybe you have already started building, but are having trouble understanding the process. I'm David Gordon, and I have been a custom home builder for the last 17 years, building luxurious custom homes here in Houston, Texas. On this channel, we talk about every aspect of the building process, from contracts, financing, design, and each part of the construction process. The main goal of our channel is to educate anyone and everyone about the custom home building process. We will work to fill in the gaps on everything needed to know in building your custom dream home. We upload videos every week, so please subscribe so you don't miss out. We would love to join you on your custom home building journey.